Good morning, boys and girls. It's Carlo here, Horsepower Industries, and another beautiful day here in Fairfield. We have a little project here. It's a new customer's Subaru WRX, and we're gonna install this Invidia R400 exhaust system. A pretty easy install, but I just wanna share like pretty much like some tech tips on how to install these, especially for the DIY guys. But yeah, so I got the car set up there on the lift already. I'm gonna lift it up and then loosen up the bolts. And yep, let's get started. All right, car's up on the air. Normally I'll inspect all these nuts and bolts, make sure that they're not rusted. Looks like it's clean, because sometimes we get cars that are like rust buckets. So like the studs, like their nuts and bolts, they're all rusted, but this one's clean. Although you can tell that this guy's been having some fun on this car. All right, so we're gonna start using these new gaskets and hardware.